of stars. A giant red tabby cat's heart breaks as his love walks away. Alone and lost, he dons his astronaut suit and boards a rocket, leaving Earth behind. Tears fall as the rocket soars through the endless night, heading toward the silent moon. But loneliness turns to fear strange glowing aliens attack, forcing him to run for his life. At last, he stops and faces a giant alien in a battle for survival under the vast cosmic sky, and the fight to find a new home among the stars.